Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this app can't run on your PC. Let's begin. First, this error can result from system file mismatch or compatibility issues. So what we need to do first is run an SFC Scannow. This will restore critical components that allow these applications to execute properly. Go over here, click on the Windows Start button, CMD, type that, command prompt, make sure to run as the administrator. Okay. Then a new window will pop up. Go ahead, type SFC scan now. Hit enter, and your computer will begin scanning for any damaged or corrupted files and will automatically repair them for you. And once done, you can simply close and restart your computer. By then, all of those corrupted files should be fixed and resolve your uh, issues for this. I hope you found this video very helpful.